Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to show terms and conditions policies on the checkout page. Let's have a tutorial on that. Let's begin the tutorial. So first of all, let's go to the terms and conditions. So stores, there would be terms and conditions. We need to add a condition. Terms, so here we can add terms and conditions. Okay, enabled text and HTML both automatically, manually, all stores, right? Checkbox text, please read carefully terms and conditions. Okay, content text. So I'm going to copy this private, this one. Okay, any text you want to add, you can add. Okay, this we have added. Content height and CSS. mm, 500. Okay, save this condition. This is done. System, cache management, flush the cache, go to the main website, then go to the main website. So here we go with the main website, sign in with the account. So any account that I have, let's add it. So purchase any of the product, add to cart, checkout, and let's add this, check bank transfer, place order. Oh, sorry. One thing which have skipped. We haven't done the configuration. Go to the stores, configuration. We have a sales, checkout options. We have enabled terms and condition. Yes. Okay. Make it save. Let's go to the cache flush again. Okay. So let's go to the checkout again and reload this page. So there is a text that please read careful and conditions. If I'm going to place this order, this field is required. So if I will need to check that how the information it is, so it is mentioned in the pop-up. So once I read all this information, then close that. I will check this, place that order, then it will mark that whatever the terms and conditions I have, it is successfully fulfilled. So whenever someone is placing the order and he doesn't know about the product or something, your policies, so you can add it over here until or unless they will read the policies and check this mark. That means the customer is aware of that whatever the policies you have. That means it's very easy, very like important to for your website also to make the customers like what are the proper terms and conditions for placing an order or about the product. So we can give the privilege to them, like please check or read carefully. Okay, so that can be feasible, and by default Magento has provided us. So you need to go to the stores terms and conditions, whatever conditions you want to add, you can add, enable it, and after that go to the configuration, sales, then in checkout options make it enable terms and condition to be on. Okay, so this is yeah, that's it for now. So any issue in that, just let me know. If you like the video, just please do like, share and comment. So what about the video, you like it? Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share and comment.